Alright, a little nervous here. Here's the old Kershaw I found in the auger hole. It's sharp. I'm making a video. Here's a piece of mail. I shouldn't do this because it'll take some of the edge off, but it's pretty sharp. Here's 2 phone books. Emporium. Have no idea if this will work, but we will see. So now remember, my knife is a lot shorter than his. Here it goes. How'd you like that? Try it again, just for a good show. That wasn't even that hard. Cutting about 1/4 inch off the corner. Done. See there? Okay. Have a good night.